Okay, checking 1, 2. I don't even know if I'm not even sure if the microphones will pick this up. Let's see. Let me try this. Nope. Welcome to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Yeah, hey, Boozhoo ni Jonashanabe Dog, and welcome back to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And yeah, I was just sitting here on my Madwewe Chigan, my piano. And that'll be our special word today, Madwewe Chigan, piano. But let's see, I also want to talk about this and that. Hey, I'm going to talk about this and that today. I'm going to talk about Owe, Iwe, and Iwede. Iwede. But like if I was going to say this piano, I'd say Madwewe Chigan Owe. That's with an O-W-E, Owe. And if I was going to say that piano, I'd say Madwewe Chigan Iwe, I-W-E, Iwe. And then if I wanted to say that piano over there, I'd say Madwewe Chigan Iwede. Madwewe Chigan Iwede. Iwede over there. So yeah, Owe, Iwe, and Iwede. Over there. This, that, over there. This, that, and the other thing. Yeah, okay. So then, Madwewe Chican. What can I say about the piano? You know, I'm really more of a guitar player than a piano player. But, okay. Begging your pardon. I don't like to give people advice, but this is just for the kids. I'm gonna play the elder card. If I'm older than you, which I probably am, think of me as your elder. I'm gonna give you a little advice. If you watch this show and you see and you think, oh, I want to learn how to play the guitar. Oh, I want to play the piano or sing. I like to sing. And oh, look at that guy. He's drawing cartoons. How do you learn to draw so well? Sometimes kids come up to me and I go, oh, wow. How do you know how to draw? Well, you know how I know how to draw and play the guitar and sing and do all this stuff? So I don't have a phone. And I grew up without a phone, there was no Facebook when I was a kid. And, I feel bad for you guys. There's so many ways to entertain yourself. You can play video games, or you can watch movies, or you can get on this Facebook. And I know here I am trying to get people to watch my videos on Facebook. But, you got to take a break sometimes too, right? Okay, enough of that. Enough preaching. So yeah. Madwewe Chigan, the piano. And that's all I have for today. So yeah. Why don't you sit down and write a song? You can write a song on the piano. Okay, let's try it.
and the kids are grown and gone. So why does this feel, why does it feel so wrong? And it seems like